Hello, everybody. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. Welcome back to AI Systems Architecture, Building Adaptive Intelligent Architectures. In this series, we are not studying tools. We are not studying programming languages. We are not studying software products. We are studying something much bigger, the future architecture of intelligent systems. For decades, technology transformed business. Today, artificial intelligence is transforming technology itself. Every CIO is discussing AI. Every CTO is discussing AI. Every enterprise architect is discussing AI. But very few are asking the most important question: what happens after AI? The next decade will not be defined by AI models alone. It will be defined by intelligent systems. Today's discussion is not about ChatGPT. It is not about prompts. It is not about large language models. Today's discussion is about architecture, the architecture that will power the next decade. The future will be built on robotics, machine vision, autonomous systems, digital twins, industrial automation, and intelligent enterprise. The organizations that understand this shift early will possess a tremendous competitive advantage. The organizations that ignore it may spend years trying to catch up. To understand the future, we must first understand the past. For nearly 40 years, information technology was dominated by applications, payroll applications, inventory applications, accounting applications, CRM systems, ERP systems. Applications became the center of enterprise computing. Humans entered information. Humans reviewed information. Humans made decisions. Humans executed actions. The software supported the business. But the intelligence remained largely with people. The application was the tool. The human was the decision maker. That model dominated enterprise computing for decades. Every workflow ultimately depended on human judgment. Now think about what is happening today. Machine learning models are making predictions. Vision systems are identifying defects. AI agents are performing research. Digital twins are simulating outcomes. Something fundamental has changed. Intelligence is moving from humans into systems. This may be the single most important architectural shift of our generation. We are moving from application-centric architecture to intelligence-centric architecture. And that changes everything. In the application era, software supported people. People remained responsible for decisions. In the intelligence era, systems participate directly in decision making. This is a revolutionary change. But this is only the beginning, because the next decade will not be dominated by individual AI systems. It will be dominated by ecosystems of intelligence. Multiple intelligence systems collaborating continuously. Imagine an intelligent factory, hundreds of robots, thousands of sensors, machine vision systems, predictive maintenance engines, autonomous vehicles, AI agents, all working together. The future factory becomes a living, intelligent organism. Now imagine the same concept applied to a hospital, a city, an airport, a supply chain, an energy grid. Everywhere we look, intelligence is becoming distributed. The future belongs to interconnected intelligent systems. And this leads us to an extraordinary realization. The architecture itself becomes intelligent, not because one model becomes smarter, but because thousands of systems collaborate. The architecture becomes the intelligence. Think about that. The architecture becomes the intelligence. Intelligence emerges from interaction, not from isolation. This realization changes how architects must think. It changes how CIOs plan. It changes how CTOs invest. It changes how enterprises build technology. In the next section, we will explore the 5 architectural layers that will define intelligent enterprises throughout the next decade. And this framework may become one of the most important architectural models you encounter in your AI journey. Stay with me. Before we discuss future factories, AI agents, or autonomous enterprises, we need a framework. Architects need frameworks. Without frameworks, complexity becomes overwhelming. With frameworks, complexity becomes manageable. Today, I want to introduce a framework that I believe will become increasingly important during the next decade. 5 layers: data, intelligence, coordination, execution, governance. Every future intelligent system can be understood through these layers. Notice something important. Most organizations focus on only one layer, artificial intelligence. But AI is only one layer. The future belongs to organizations that master all five layers. Layer 1, data and sensing, the awareness layer, the eyes, the ears, the nervous system of intelligent enterprises. Every intelligent decision begins with awareness. A robot cannot act without sensing. A vehicle cannot navigate without observation. A factory cannot optimize without measurement. Data becomes the raw material of intelligence. In the future, every machine becomes a sensor. Every process becomes measurable. Every event becomes data. Organizations often say data is the new oil. I disagree. Oil has value only after refinement. Data has value only after interpretation. The real asset is not data. The real asset is actionable intelligence. Layer 2, intelligence, the reasoning layer. This is where machine learning lives. Deep learning, generative AI, large language models, predictive analytics. Intelligence transforms observation into prediction, prediction into recommendation, recommendation into decision. Historically, software automated processes. AI increasingly automates decisions. That may be one of the biggest shifts in business history. Now we arrive at the most neglected layer, coordination, the layer most organizations underestimate, and the layer most future enterprises cannot survive without. Imagine 10,000 sensors, 1,000 robots, 500 cameras, 100 AI agents. Who coordinates them? Intelligence without coordination creates chaos. The future requires orchestrated intelligence, coordinated intelligence, collaborative intelligence. This is why technologies such as Elixir and Beam become so interesting. Layer 4, execution, where decisions become actions. A recommendation has no value unless something happens. An insight has no value unless action follows. Execution transforms intelligence into business outcomes. Robots execute, machines execute, autonomous systems execute, edge devices execute. This is where performance matters, latency matters, reliability matters, safety matters. And this is why technologies such as Rust are attracting attention. Layer 5, governance, the trust layer. Who audits the AI? Who monitors decisions? Who manages risk? Who enforces compliance? Who ensures responsible behavior? These questions become increasingly important. The future enterprise will require governance by design, observability by design, trust by design, ethics by design, because intelligence without governance eventually becomes a liability. Together, these five layers form the foundation of adaptive intelligent architectures. Every future factory, every autonomous system, every AI platform, every intelligent enterprise will depend on these layers working together. Now that we understand the five architectural layers, let us bring them together. Let us move from theory to reality. Let us build a future factory, not science fiction, not a Hollywood movie, a realistic factory that may exist much sooner than most people imagine. Imagine entering a factory 10 years from now. You hear fewer human voices. You see fewer control rooms. You see fewer manual inspections. Yet the factory is more productive than ever before. What changed? The machines became intelligent. The sensors became intelligent. The software became intelligent. And more importantly, the architecture became intelligent. Thousands of sensors, vibration, humidity, power consumption, every second, every minute, every hour. In traditional factories, much of this information was ignored. In future factories, every event becomes useful. Every signal becomes data. Every measurement becomes intelligent. Machine vision systems inspect every product, every component, every assembly, every weld, every surface. Nothing escapes observation. The human inspector may sample one product in 100. A machine vision system can inspect every product 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without fatigue, without distraction, Without inconsistency, robots perform assembly operations, material handling, packaging, sorting, movement, inspection, and increasingly decision support. Notice something important. The future factory is not replacing humans. It is changing the role of humans. Humans move from repetitive activity towards supervision, optimization, innovation, and decision making. This is where the five-layer architecture begins to appear inside the factory. Every event enters the sensing layer. Every event becomes intelligence. Now we add digital twins, perhaps the most important concept in future manufacturing. A digital twin is not merely a simulation. It is a living model of reality, a virtual representation of the physical factory, updated continuously, learning continuously, observing continuously, predicting continuously. The digital twin identifies potential failures before failures occur. Imagine discovering that a machine will fail 3 weeks from now, not because it already failed, but because the digital twin observed subtle patterns invisible to human operators. That is predictive intelligence. Maintenance becomes predictive, operations become adaptive, manufacturing becomes intelligent. But the future factory is more than sensors and analytics. The real transformation comes from AI agents. AI agents continuously monitor operations, analyze information, recommend actions, coordinate activities, and optimize performance. One agent may focus on quality. Another agent may focus on energy consumption. Another agent may focus on maintenance. Another agent may focus on logistics. Individually, they are useful. Collectively, they become transformative. The future belongs to coordinated intelligence, not isolated intelligence. Multiple intelligence systems collaborating toward common objectives. Energy becomes optimized. Waste becomes reduced. Efficiency becomes measurable. Sustainability becomes operational. For the first time in industrial history, intelligence becomes embedded into the operating fabric of manufacturing itself, not as an add-on, not as a reporting tool, but as part of daily operations. This may be one possible architecture for the future factory. Governance at the top, intelligence in the middle, execution at the edge, and continuous sensing at the foundation. When people discuss artificial intelligence, they often focus on models. Future factories remind us that models are only one component. Architecture is what transforms intelligence into business value. Architecture is what converts prediction into action. Architecture is what converts information into outcomes. And this naturally leads to our next question. If future factories become intelligent ecosystems, what happens when the entire enterprise becomes intelligent? That is exactly where we are going next. Welcome to the autonomous enterprise. Welcome back. We have explored intelligent ecosystems. We have explored future factories. Now we arrive at the ultimate destination, the autonomous enterprise, perhaps the most important architectural transformation of the next decade. For decades, enterprises were built around processes. Let me be very clear. When I say autonomous enterprise, I do not mean an enterprise without people. I do not mean robots replacing executives. I do not mean machines replacing leadership. The future belongs to augmented intelligence, human intelligence amplified by machine intelligence. The objective is not replacing humans. The objective is empowering humans. Consider what happens inside a modern enterprise. Thousands of decisions are made every day. Pricing decisions, supply chain decisions, risk decisions, inventory decisions, customer service decisions, operational decisions. Many of these decisions are repetitive. Many follow recognizable patterns, and many can be improved through intelligent assistance. The enterprise becomes a continuously learning system. Imagine an organization where every business process generates feedback, every decision generates learning, every outcome improves future performance. The enterprise begins to learn from itself, not annually, not monthly, not weekly, continuously. This creates a continuous intelligence loop. Observe, analyze, learn, optimize, repeat again and again. For centuries, organizations improved through experience. Future enterprises improve through experience, accelerated by artificial intelligence that changes the speed of adaptation. And in business, adaptation is often the difference between leadership and irrelevance. AI agents become digital colleagues, working continuously, monitoring continuously, optimizing continuously. One agent may monitor customer satisfaction, another may monitor inventory, another may monitor risk, another may monitor compliance. Together, they create an intelligent operating environment that never sleeps. The future enterprise will not rely on a single AI system. It will rely on an ecosystem of collaborating intelligences. Now, let us pause and ask an uncomfortable question. If AI becomes more capable, who remains responsible? This is where governance becomes mission critical. The future will not reward organizations that merely deploy AI. The future will reward organizations that govern AI. Governance, observability, auditability, transparency, trust. These are not optional capabilities. These become architectural requirements. Trust becomes the foundation upon which intelligent enterprises operate. Now, let me speak directly to CIOs, CTOs, enterprise architects, technology leaders. The next decade will not be won by organizations that buy the most AI tools. It will be won by organizations that build the best AI architectures. Technology changes, architecture endures. Products will change, platforms will change, models will change, programming languages will evolve, new technologies will emerge. But architectural principles survive technological disruption. That is why architects matter. That is why enterprise architecture matters. And that is why AI system architecture matters. The next decade belongs to adaptive intelligent architectures. Architects of the future must understand more than software. They must understand artificial intelligence, machine vision, robotics, industrial automation, distributed systems, cloud computing, edge computing, digital twins, governance, business strategy. The future architect becomes the conductor of an intelligent ecosystem. This is the journey we explored today. From sensing to intelligence, to coordination, to execution, to governance, and ultimately to adaptive intelligent enterprises. Artificial intelligence is not merely another technology wave. It is becoming the operating fabric of modern enterprises. The question is no longer whether this transformation will occur. The question is how prepared we are to architect it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. This is Shankar from System-Based Labs. In our next episode, we move beyond foundations and begin exploring real-world AI architecture patterns, reference architectures, autonomous systems, machine vision platforms, industrial intelligence, and future enterprise ecosystems. Until then, keep learning, keep architecting, keep innovating, and keep building the future. Goodbye.